This is a review for the Flex Glue Clear. So this is from the refrigerator. It came loose. This part it broke off. Just pulling the drawer open and shutting it for the fridge. And the bottom over there. Wife just stuck some stuff back in there. So I already glued this, but I'm going to shore it up because the clips actually broke off. So I'm using the glue as a kind of buffer to kind of load it up in there to hold it in place. So far it's working pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reseal the edges, put the gloves on, reseal the edges. And if you don't see another video from me, that means this stuff works pretty well. It's working good right now, but I just want to do a double coat to make sure that it's working, that it holds better in place. So this flex glue is just very difficult to squeeze out. I have decent strength. I'm squeezing it. It's not coming out. Need two hands. I don't know if it's because it's kind of old. But let me just go ahead and get this done, and then I'll get back and show you. Alright, so I got some dabs on. Just gonna run it through the seams. Alright, good enough. Alright, and that's it. It seems pretty good. It's holding really well. But if I don't pull this video down, that means that product work. It looks like it's working very well right now, but who knows? Like I said, if I don't pull the video down, that means it works pretty well. I would give it a try if I was you. So if you like this video or you find it somewhat entertaining, subscribe. Help me get my my numbers up a little bit. Appreciate it. Thank you. End product. Pretty good. Not great. Might have to shore it up some more, but it works.